எல்லாருக்கும் சுகமல்லே எல்லாருக்கும் சுகமல்லே I am very happy to be here in Kerala and I thank Indian Union Muslim League and Kerala State Muslim League Youth League President Syed Sadiq Ali Shihab Tangal Garu and VD Satishan Garu and Kunjali Kutti Garu MP E.T. Muhammad Bashir Garu and MP P.V. Abdul Wahab Garu and MP Samdani Garu and Youth President Syed Munawwarali Saheb Tangal Garu, P.K. Firoz Garu, General Secretary and Treasurer Ismail Garu, and my special thanks to K.C. Venugopal ji for guiding me here, and all other my brothers, MPs, MLAs and other leaders sitting here. Andarki namaskaralu and andarki namaskaralu. I am your sister Sitakka from Telangana. Some words for my life. In my childhood, I never thought I would be a Naxalite. When I was a Naxalite, I never thought I will become a lawyer. When I was a lawyer, I never thought I would be a MLA. When I was a MLA, I never thought I will finish my PhD. And now I became a cabinet minister in Telangana. Still, I am a student. I am studying my LLM in Usmania University, Hyderabad. This is my gun to pen journey. This is my life journey, gun to pen. I am now the minister which place is see me as a Naxal. Same place I elected 3 times as a MLA. Now all people are calling me Dr. Dhanasari Anasuya Sitakka. Dhanasari is my surname. Anasuya is my this name named me my parents, and Sitakka is named from Naxal's movement. Public this name is given in that movement. Akka means sister. During my journey, I saw many cruel acts of Jamindar, feudalist landlords, but I never saw a person like a PM Modi and his government, who are so evil-minded in my entire lifetime. Old days, only few people were danger, but now entire country in danger. Even constitution also in danger because of BJP mindset. I am from Telangana, you are all from Kerala. Just divided only state. We are all brothers and sisters. But BJP evil mindset dividing our bond by spreading hate among us in the name of caste and religion. I want to thank to Kerala State Muslim League and Muslim Youth League also. They are supporting Rahul Gandhi ji since the moment Rahul ji contested in Wayanad. You are all stood with him as strong pillars. You are support him even now while he is fighting this battle of hate versus peace. We saw that PM Modi is doing to silence the opposition voice, and same here in Kerala also. Here in Kerala, CM family involved in corruption. Kerala government is corrupted like BJP. No progress in the investigation of ED charges on CM office. It is like partnership game with BJP. LDF reason for high financial crisis and unemployment in the state. Youth are attacked and media is attacked, and our daughters who won medals in the country, they are also suffering. We saw the opposition MPs facing mass suspension in parliament for raising their voice. PM Modi did not do anything for public and people, and he just protecting himself, just he used God name only. There is no peace when differences start to rise within the country. It will affect our future generation also. Agriculture affected, education is affected, economy is affected. All this will affect the development of our future generations. BJP government is saying their double engine sarkar is helping people, but they are fooling the people with their lies. It is not double engine sarkar. This is triple engine sarkar. Modi, Adani, RSS. Modi, Adani, RSS. It is a triple engine sarkar. So triple engine sarkar became a trouble engine sarkar of Indian and punished and pushed people into poverty. BJP is following divided rule policy instead of uniting country. According to Oxfam report, 84% families saw decline in income. Adani, Ambani's their income is doubled. Their assets also increased. Youth sacrificed their lives earlier for great causes. BJP government using youth and their lives spread hate and hate politics only. Recently I went to Manipur. There one woman said the issue between Kuki and Meiteis, it is a war. But that word we used only between two countries. But within state we are our fighting creating by BJP hatred politics. BJP government sitting silently. PM Modi is busy with his business friends. BJP did not address issues like unemployment, inflation, development. So I request youth to not fall into this trap of hate politics and focus on your career. Youth should create ideas and benefits each other. Youth should understand how this government is careless about youth future. Youth should focus on welfare schemes. Rahul Gandhi is not fighting for political gains. This is fight of two ideologies, which is peace versus hate. Rahul Gandhi ji wants peace and welfare of people. Rahul Gandhi ji will surely win this fight for peace with love and affection. नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत के दुकान खोलेंगे. This is our leader. And the relation between Congress and Muslim League is 50 years old. Congress and Muslim League are two parties, but always work together with one idea: welfare of people and secular country. The name is Muslim League, but they are 100% secular party. Thank you, Kerala youth. I will always be your sister. I am so happy to Muslim Youth League following peace ideology. Andarki namaskaralu. Naki oka goppa avakasham. This is a great opportunity giving. Andarki namaskaralu, dhanyavadalu. I am always your sister.